Hello, we are Group 49 and purpose of this presentation is to present the following points on Dell. Describing Dell's business model, how information system helps Dell to achieve competitive advantages, how their online presence help customer decision-making skills, explaining entity relationship behind their dynamic web pages, explaining SQL statement of Dell, and suggesting improvements in relation to interface website.
Dell is one of the world's leading and most dominating computer manufacturer for personal, home and business purpose. It is also number one PC supplier to small and medium businesses in the US. Dell was established in the mid-1980s by Microsoft Dell. Dell was first called PCs Limited. In 1986 it started to operate and sell via their website. This action was taken in order to cut retail costs and pass on the saving direct to customers. Dell performs direct sales, low cost and ordered built computers for its customers. It allows each customer to tailor-make their computer at competitive prices, delivered right to their door. One of the Dell's main aims is to be the greenest technology company in the world. Therefore, Dell is committed to improve their businesses to help protect environment while making it easier for customers to acquire, own and retire their computer responsibility. Dell offers its products and services to four main segments, which include home, small and medium businesses, public sector and large enterprise. Dell offers a variety of products and services to its customers, some including scanners, laptops, desktops, projectors, servers and many more. It also offers technical plans including driver downloading, troubleshooting, product and delivery status. In addition, premium care plan services such as Presto can also be taken up. Just-in-time process is a cost-effective method of trading that Dell uses in order to save on financing costs such as storage, insurance and security. This method has allowed Dell to replace inventory with information.
Dell's information system plays an important role in Dell's direct business model. Instead of selling its computers to a retailer, Dell sells them direct to its customer through its website. Customers can configure their PC at Dell's website. They can choose RAM, screen size, memories, etc. to build their own PC according to their needs. Dell's website takes customers' order, processes it, and it also takes customers' payment. This allowed Dell to shift from time-dependent to non-time-dependent transactions, where a worker doesn't have to be present when a customer requests a service. Data from an order is stored in Dell's database, which is a cheap source of market research. This data is processed into information which is used in many tasks, such as deciding marketing mix and future planning. Information system makes just-in-time method possible for Dell. Dell's management supply software helps company to have better control on its supply. This software enables its supplier to check how much is needed and when. Dell's information system allows staff and its customer to communicate effectively in case there is a problem.
Dell's website supports customers' decision-making in several ways. One of the ways it does this is by designing a simple, user-friendly, easy-to-navigate set of links and drop-down menus. The drop-down menus then divide Dell's products and services that they provide, such as laptops, desktops and servers. Dell also has a secure website for customers if they need to register their details and make a purchase. This is evident by the website address containing HTTPS as opposed to just HTTP. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. This means that the data stored on these particular web pages are encrypted so that nobody else will be able to view and interpret the data. Customer support is available for any customers who have difficulties with Dell's products or services. This involves talking to a Dell technician online where customers can communicate their problems to receive help. Through providing this service, Dell's customers will have peace of mind knowing that support is available online. Dell provides their customers with an opportunity to customize the purchase by building their own computer. This involves choosing a higher or lower specification component such as CPU and memory to customize their computer, with the price adjusting accordingly. This will leave customers more satisfied with their purchase. Customers are able to track their purchase at every stage of the process from production to delivery. By having this feature available to customers, Dell creates a perception of good communication. They'll be more satisfied as they know exactly when to expect delivery. If any complications arise, customers will also be aware of how much longer they may have to wait.
From the Dell website, we have identified the main entities and their attributes. We have then created an entity relationship diagram as seen on the screen. Here diagrams show how each of the various entities are interlinked. For example, in the diagram there is a link between department and employee, which shows each individual employee is linked to one department, but one department can have many employees.
These are some of the examples of the database behind the dynamic web pages of Dell's website. These include the information relating to the customers who placed the order, the ordered product, the employees who's dealing with the order, and the status of each order. This diagram shows the relationship between the different entities within the Dell's website, and each entity has different attributes which help Dell with taking and dealing with each order.
We have created 3 SQL queries to show how the database behind the dynamic web pages of Dell's website help the website to run smoothly. SQL is an abbreviation of Structured Query Language. It is a standard language for accessing the database behind the web pages. As shown on the slide, the first SQL query shows all the laptops belonging to the Inspiron family. Customers can do this by clicking on the side menu on the website as highlighted in the screenshot. This supports customer decision making as it allows the customers to choose and view the relevant products of their choice. It also helps the business to attain a competitive advantage over its competitors. The second SQL query shows all the laptops belonging to Inspiron family according to their prices in a descending order. Customers can do this by simply clicking on the options available on the website as highlighted in the screenshot. Finally, the third SQL query is an example of how the customers can find out the status of the order. As highlighted in the screenshot, this option is also available on Dell's website, and it requires customers to enter the order number. The slide also shows an example where a fictional order number is tracked by using an SQL query.
There are a couple of improvements that can be made to the Dell website. One of these is to improve the website load times. The Dell website takes considerably longer to load when compared to other websites, such as the BBC and its competitor, Apple. A website load test showed that Dell's website takes an average of 3.25 seconds to load, whereas the BBC takes an average of 2.35 seconds and Apple takes an average of 0.76 seconds. This may create a perception of inefficiency from consumers' point of view. Dell also needs to reduce the amount of information and content on each web page. Providing too much information on a web page will create information overload and the customer may lose interest. Dell needs to reduce content on its website, which in turn will increase website load speeds and help customers browse easier.
In conclusion, we came across that Dell gains competitive advantage through using information systems such as management, supply chain and data mining. The website helps customers in many ways to support the decision making through the use of secure transactions, easy to navigate and customer support. Entity relationship diagram shows the relationships between entities of Dell's databases. Through the use of databases tables, various SQL queries can be made to show the data required whilst filtering out the irrelevant data. There were various improvements that can be made to enhance Dell's website. These improvements include reducing web page loading times and reducing excess content such as repeated product descriptions. Thank you for listening.